fellow investors, and welcome back to Ajayastromoneyguru. I'm Neena, and today, on the 15th of December 2023, we have some exciting updates on the commodities market, particularly in the realms of gold and crude oil. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay up to date with our latest analyses. Now, let's get started. Starting off with gold, we've seen some intriguing movements this week. Despite a slight dip today, gold prices are on course for a weekly gain, currently standing at $2,033.29 per ounce. This uptrend is attributed to the growing speculation of a rate cut by the US Federal Reserve, which has impacted the dollar and treasury yields. The Fed, in its recent meeting, kept interest rates unchanged, and Chair Jerome Powell hinted at the possibility of cuts in borrowing costs. This sentiment has propelled gold up by 1.5% this week, with US gold futures reaching $2,047.60. Market expectations are now pricing in a 75% chance of a rate cut in March, according to the CME Fed Watch tool. The lower US interest rates have not only pressured the dollar but also increased the appeal of non-yielding bullion. Stay tuned as we monitor these developments closely. Spot silver has eased by 0.3% to $24.07 per ounce, while platinum fell 0.2% to $956.21, and palladium slipped 0.4% to $1,098.13. These fluctuations in the precious metals market add an extra layer of complexity to the current economic landscape. We'll keep you informed as the situation unfolds. Now, let's shift our focus to the crude oil market, where prices are showing signs of life after a 2-month slump. Brent futures rose by 9 cents to $76.70 a barrel, while US West Texas Intermediate (WTI) crude climbed 10 cents to $71.68. Both benchmarks are on track for a modest weekly gain, driven by a bullish forecast from the International Energy Agency (IEA) and a weaker dollar. The US Federal Reserve's indication of likely lower borrowing costs in 2024 has contributed to the dollar's decline, making dollar-denominated oil more attractive for foreign purchasers. The IEA's optimistic outlook on oil demand for 2024, estimating a rise of 1.1 million barrels per day, has further fueled the market. However, it's worth noting that this falls short of OPEC's demand growth forecast of 2.25 million barrels of oil per day. Keep an eye out for ongoing developments and how they might shape the future of the crude oil market. And there you have it, folks, the latest updates and advanced analysis on gold and crude oil. The commodities market is as dynamic as ever, and we'll be here to guide you through the twists and turns. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, happy investing.